Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you how to remove websites from your Instagram profile on Android. If you've added a website to your Instagram profile and want to remove it, don't worry, it's easy to do. Here are the steps. Step 1. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right to go to your profile. Step 2. Tap Edit Profile at the top of the screen. Step 3. Tap Links. Step 4. To remove a link, tap on the link and then tap the Remove Link icon. Step 5. Tap the check icon to save your changes. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to remove any unwanted websites from your Instagram profile on Android. It's important to keep your Instagram profile up to date and relevant to your brand or personal brand. By removing outdated or irrelevant websites, you can keep your profile looking fresh and engaging for your followers. One thing to keep in mind is that you can only have one clickable link in your Instagram bio. This is why it's important to regularly review the websites you have listed and make sure they're still relevant to your audience. In addition to removing websites, you can also add new ones by following the same process and tapping Add instead of Remove. In conclusion, removing websites from your Instagram profile on Android is a quick and easy process. By following the steps we've outlined in this tutorial, you'll be able to keep your profile looking great and up to date. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.